Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new Hindi prayer. The prayer's name is Dhanyavad Prabhu Dhanyavad. What's the prayer's name? Dhanyavad Prabhu Dhanyavad. Okay, listen very carefully. It's Dhanyavad Prabhu Dhanyavad. धन्यवाद प्रभु धन्यवाद. जीवन मिला है तुझसे प्रभु. जीवन मिला है तुझसे प्रभु. तेरी कृपा से हमें, तेरी कृपा से हमें. धन्यवाद धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद सदा सर्वदम. Okay, so this is the first paragraph, and the next time I will teach you the second paragraph. So this is the first paragraph and how you have to sing it now. धन्यवाद प्रभु धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद प्रभु धन्यवाद. जीवन मिला है तुझसे प्रभु. तेरी कृपा से हमें, तेरी कृपा से हमें. धन्यवाद धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद सदा सर्वदम. Okay, that's the first paragraph of this new Hindi prayer. After this, we come to the English work. Okay, open to page number 57. Page number 57. Since we are revising all the chapters, I want you to revise this chapter also. The chapter's name is Buying Things. What's the chapter's name? Buying Things, which is on page number 57. Soham and Reva are going to a shop with their parents. What a big shop! Mother wanted to buy some things. Father wanted to buy some things. How about you, children? Do you want to buy something on your own? Here's some money. You can use it to buy anything you like. Shall we buy chocolates? Shall we buy crayons? Shall we buy a toy? Please help us, Mother. What should we buy? Well, you can buy something that will finish up quickly, or you can buy something that will last long. You can buy something made by others, or you can buy things and make something yourself. That's a good idea. Let's buy things and make new things with them. Soham and Reva picked up some things. They went to the counter. We want to buy this paper, glue and colors. How much is it? 95 rupees in all. Here's the money, 100 rupees. Thank you. I must give you 5 rupees back. Here it is. That's right. Thank you. Okay, so you all are going to read this chapter, take a video and send it to me. And do not forget, behind each and every chapter there are these small exercises which you need to solve them again in your mind or in your book, however you want to, so that you remember when you are being asked in your orals or in your test, you remember these question answers. Okay, so this I want you to read the whole chapter, take a video and send it to me. That's what you need to do for English. Now we'll begin with this worksheet. Page number 4. The school and the month is mentioned on the worksheet. You will write the name and the date. Okay, it's a very simple worksheet. Count and tick the correct numbers. So one example is also given to you all. So you all know what you have to do. You will count the number of objects and tick the right number against it. Okay, that's what you need to do for this whole page. After finishing, you will take a picture and send it to me, and then turn your page. Turn your page. I'm going to give you some plurals, okay, of which I want you all to write the singular. Okay, so plurals I'm giving and singular you will write. Okay, so the first one is knives, N-I-V-E-S. You have to tell me what is the singular of this. The second one is shoes. Third one is toys. Fourth one is parents. Fifth one is wives. Sixth one is boxes. Seventh one is chocolates. Eighth one is crayons. Ninth one is ladders. 10th one is papers. 11th is sheep. 12th is cows. 13th is horses. 14th is rupees. And 15th is frogs. Okay, so these are the plurals, and you will write the singular opposite. Okay, so out here you will write the singular of knives. Okay, the whole thing has to get over. Take a picture and send it to me. Now we'll do coloring. Come to the 9th page. Okay, like we have also done this earlier, you very well know what each alphabet stands for. Okay, so for example, if it's an O, it's a orange. Okay, so you will start coloring according to the alphabets that are mentioned. DG is dark green, D blue is dark blue, R is red. So I think all of you all know by now what is what. So this is dark blue. So you will color this dark blue. Okay, I need you all to finish this properly, color it properly inside the lines, take a picture and send it to me. So this is how we are going to color it and keep it ready, and you all will take a picture and send it to me, and this is how it will look. Okay, color it very carefully so that it doesn't go outside the boxes, outside the lines that are made. These are the mushrooms. The last mushroom, we are going to color it now. Very carefully do the whole thing, take a picture and send it to me. Now we'll do EVS. Come to page number 50. Page number 50. We've already done this, but I want you all to read this again. Okay, the topic was area clothing, manufacturing of cloth. There's a conversation on clothes. Okay, this is a story on Chintu. So just Chintu's story in comic. What do I do with you? How are you so lazy about wearing clothes? In the meantime, Chintu, come on. You have school, don't you? Wear your clothes. No, I don't want to wear clothes. Come on, brother. Let's go to watch the magic show. Oh, let's leave Chintu because he is not dressed up yet. Chintu falls asleep again. Mother, where did Tai and Dada go to watch the magic show? Why didn't they take me? I wanted to go too. But you weren't ready. But you weren't wearing clothes, were you? So they left. Will you stay like this without your clothes? No, mother, I will stay like this with I will not stay like this without wearing clothes. Give me my clothes. I will wear them quickly. Okay? So I want you all to read this. Okay? And after doing this, I want you all to talk about which season is going to start now. Which season has started? The summer season. So I want you to talk about summer season. What you can talk in summer season is what kind of clothes do you wear, or what fruits do you have, or what do you do in summer season. Okay, anything about summer season you can talk at least in 2 or 3 sentences. Okay, I want 2 videos for EVS. One while you're reading this, and second you'll talk about the summer season. That's what you need to do for the day. Have a good day. Bye bye.